Hello everyone, my name is Shah. Today, I will tell you about my Sunday routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners. Every Sunday, I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then, I make a cup of tea. I enjoy the peaceful morning. At 8 o'clock, I eat breakfast. A good breakfast gives me energy. After breakfast, I clean my room and organize my things. I like a clean and comfortable room. In the morning, I spend time learning new English words. In the afternoon, I go for a relaxing walk. Sometimes I visit the market and buy fresh food. At lunchtime, I enjoy a meal with my family. After lunch, I relax and read for a while. In the evening, I prepare helpful English lessons. Before bed, I make a simple plan for the next day. At 10 o'clock, I go to sleep. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.